2 weeks ago, a representative from the International Sport and Culture Association reached out to me and asked me if I want to provide drone footage for a project of theirs.
So we are International Sport and Culture Association. We are here today in front of Our Saviour's Church and we are celebrating No Elevators Day. And you guessed it right, it is about taking the stairs instead of the elevator.
And ISCA wanted to celebrate this with an event that of course needed to take place in one of the most spectacular places in Copenhagen, Our Saviour's Church, using the stairs outside of the tower. I decided to offer my services for free, as many of us, including myself, could use more exercise in our daily lives. But I had to pull out the big guns, my Mavic 3 Classic that day, because it was pretty windy. We only had a limited time frame from 8 to 9 o'clock in the morning, where there was no public access to the tower. Now the video is done and they have allowed me to post a video here on the channel so I can show you what a collaboration could look like between a photographer on the ground as well as me as a drone pilot, and merging footage from these two sources together to a final product. This was a super exciting task, and it was really fun to do a collaboration with another photographer to make a final product like this. And this is also why I've decided to use this as a case study as part of the paid course that I will be launching on the First Drone Academy here very, very soon. I'm working very hard on this part to make this happen, because this is a perfect example of a drone mission where you have a limited time span. You have to go to a crowded urban area where I've not been before, and how the thoughts and all the preparations that you need to do to make sure that this actually succeeds if you only have a limited time span to do it. If you're not already a member of the First Drone Academy, I will leave a link here somewhere in the description below so you can go sign up and check it out. This will be particularly interesting for new pilots. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.